Watch me rolling. They hating. Trying to catch me trading spy. Trying to catch me trading dirty. What are we going to do on the spy here? End of the day, 2:57 p.m. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to decide what to do on our 14-day to expiration trade experiment on the spy. Let's take a look at the spy. We'll even use our, little eye. Let's look at the calls first. That's the side we seem to be most affiliated with. Just to see what the action is, we'll go 14 days out. May 4th. Where are those numbers? Where are you? Hello, hello. Hello, Robinhood. Bear with me as my Farmfield tree-based satellite internet kicks in. There we go. Sell call expiring May 4th. What are we looking at? On the call side of the credit spread, I see something that looks pretty interesting. I like this 424, and then let's buy the 430, $6 wide, 47 credit. 47 is probably what we need to do if we want to fill that thing right away, right? 47 credit. How many do you want to do? 5? Let's go 5. Review the order. $3,000 in collateral on the call credit spread between 424 and 430. It should fill right up. There it is. It filled right up. Of course, that looks like I could have held on for some more dollar bills, but we wanted to get that thing off the board, or on the board, I should say, before the bell tolled, and we were able to do so. Does that mean that it is going up as we speak? It's battling. It is trying to go back up, or go up, I should say, as we speak. We did take, I think, 3 of our credit spreads off the board for some nice profits already today. I'll get that spreadsheet up to date. I'd like to share that with you, possibly on the weekend. So tomorrow is Friday, expiration date on a handful of our positions, most of which, a couple of them have us nervous. Let's look. So the Bank of America calls, Coterra, EOG, Ford, all of those, we're just letting them ride at this moment. The Johnson & Johnson, what is that? It's 162 and change, 163.58. Can we close it right now for $3? Probably not. Probably not, but we'll try. Let's try to close it for $3. Did we miss our opportunity? Is it too late? Yeah, it's too late now to say sorry. It has been queued for tomorrow. So let's replace it and we'll replace. So what we'll do is just take it off the board. Let's just take it off the board. Yeah, so it is 3:00 now on the Swatch Watch. The market is closed. But looking down here to the Tesla, Daniel made a comment earlier on the Tesla video, and he asked, at what point do you manage this trade? That's a very good question, because I don't know the answer. That's not a good answer. No, it's not a good answer at all. But if we look at Tesla, it kind of did what I was hoping it would do, which was make a move to the positive at the end of the day. And it's done that. Not a huge move, but it did make a move, because it had been hovering in the 161s and lower, through the 160s here a bit. And then it bounced its way back up to almost 163, closing at about, around 163, down nearly 10%. So the hope is tomorrow it opens and makes a little bounce in our favor, and then I won't hesitate to close at any sign of a profit on this trade because it's under pressure. Just think about it. It was in it was the low 180s when we put the trade on. And so I figured 155 safe. And Elon himself, he's like, Bart, I'm pretty confident in this earnings report. And he lied. That or he just didn't know. Probably didn't know. It's trying to back off again as we speak, 162.79. So we will watch this trade intently, especially at the open, which I'm hoping for a bounce green. And in doing so, we might be able to just close it up. Otherwise, we're going to have to look to manage this. Might have to sell the 148 that we bought. We bought those for protection. And to create the credit spread, we might have to sell those at a credit and then roll the 155 out at a later date, possibly down as well. So we'll see. We'll see. But time is on our side at the moment because we're still down here at 155 and we only have 1 day remaining on that contract. So we will be watching that intently. The other one that we've got our eyeballs on is the AT and the T, $18 put, and it closed at 1768, down 10 and a quarter. Now, again, if the market is down in general tomorrow, then we're going to be in trouble. I have a feeling, though, that AT&T is going to bounce off of this 1768 tomorrow into the green. Maybe, just maybe even probably. Maybe even probably will jump up above 18 and then we won't have anything to be concerned with. Otherwise, we'll have to manage that trade as well. So that's what we'll be looking at tomorrow. Thanks for joining me on this SPY trade of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.